The 2005 Lexus ES330. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call